Sometimes I saw a brick does not stick without the mortar. Stones fall and a ripples awake. Truth runs shallow, skips the lake. Death becomes a cruel mirage. Sediment thinks from sinks to knowledge. Always coming, never staying long. Going around the sun again, spinning, falling, waking. In gaming pleasures we pretend, giving, calling, taking. The pattern fractures but never breaks. A lion learning as it roars. I do not know, do you? I asked the shadows what they knew. Have you seen the hidden lands? I walked in silence with empty hands. Carry me away tonight through burning fights and frozen days where twilight bleeds, where stars ignite. I become your light. I become your I am the greatest lie, but the truth bursts bare when you love. It is on the floor, in the dirt, under the rugs that never made it work. I thought I could say what you came to say. The only way out is through. It is where we began, that we are getting to. With safety comes no surprise. Complacency leaks into compromise.